that's got to go. Okay guys, that's that job done. Now we can crack on with something inside. Today we're going to be looking at turning the shoebox into something for the back, and I think we're going to do an oil change. So let's not hang about, let's crack on. Right, unfortunately enough, the first task is going to be taking the exhaust off. Didn't realise that at the time, but the exhaust, if I can just get in there, the exhaust unfortunately cover the oil drain plug, and I'm going to have to think of a way around that really. Right, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so that's the drain plug back in, new copper washer obviously, and now I'm just going to mark where I want to drill on this. That should be it. I'm hoping there's going to be, yeah, you can see I've flattened the edge, so I know there is. Okay, right, that's my markings. Now to take it off and drill it. Okay, the last job of the day is going to be to refill the oil, or put oil back in the bike. I'm not going to be able to do anything with the floodlights as I've hoped, because I need a wiring and a button to make that work. but I've got some ideas about placement which looking forward to. So the XJ600 takes 2.2 litres. My wife's jug here, which she knows I've got now, but it's mine for keeps, measures in 1 litre. So I can put a litre in there first. Now both of these are synthetic, so I can fill the last part of that up. That's the first litre. Okay guys, that is about it. Spotlights are on, they're wired in to a degree, but they are on auxiliary circuit, so I need a button up here. They won't be with the lights, they won't work with the lights, they'll be on a completely separate circuit. Oil change is done and filled back up, and exhaust is over there on the floor. They need wrapping before they go back on, that's the reason why I took them off. The wrap didn't turn up unfortunately, so that's not a job I can do inside and finish off later on. The front of this still needs to be done, I apologise for that, but it's just so bloody cold out there, I'm just not going to do it. So next weekend I will be facing this lot off, and then that will be the front done. I'm going to try and come in with a, I don't know what I'm going to do, but it won't look, hopefully, like a shoebox anymore. So I'll do something with the sides, both sides, and I'll bring something down here is in a guard, so it'll probably end up something along those lines. Is that all? I think that is about it. I have all the materials for it. We are fairly close to finishing now, so if you like the video, please press like because it does help, and if you aren't subscribed, please subscribe. You take it easy, ride safe, and I shall see you next weekend for a little bit more work on the Project XJ.